Hello friends and followers, here is the Yaesu FL-7000 linear amplifier. Very exciting, right? So yeah, I've been hacking away at this thing. I did replace the 7912 regulator, which basically is mounted right about under there. So if your front panel is not working at all, which mine wasn't, that's a problem. The other problem this thing had was the processor would not boot, I think due to the reset line wasn't working right. Anyway, that's all been corrected. And now if I turn this thing on, it will come on. The voltage looks right. I can change the voltage down to sideband voltage here. So that works right. I can basically change antennas. All that works. I can change bands. All that works. You can hear these guys moving around. You can see them moving around actually. So all that works. When I change bands, it'll go to ready when it's ready. So that's all nice. And this is a manual mode. Anyway, all that stuff's working. The bad part now is I still have this power supply template, and I've been working with Claude. I uploaded the manual to Claude, and I've been asking Claude how to fix that. And Claude was saying that all three of these are normally closed, but and then they open up like it's hot. I'm not sure about that yet, so I got to research that. There's something wigged out in this thing somewhere with the power supply heating detection. So that's the last thing to really fix before we get into the RF part of it to see if it works even at all. So yeah, I plan to fix this light issue here, and then once that's fixed, I will go through the manual and calibrate all the protect circuits, and then maybe put a little bit of RF into it and see what it does. But I don't want to blow it up. If it isn't blown up already, I don't need to blow it up for real. These things can blow up in a snap. So I'm happy it's working this far, and it's pretty groovy. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I guess I'll turn it off down here. Right at the plug. Have a great night.